and thank you for keeping it Weekend Prime. The question of who is the undisputed Luhya Kingpin played out today during the burial ceremony of Archbishop Byram Makoha in Vihiga County. Kotu boss Francis Atwoli made it clear that ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi was the community's spokesman and no one else had taken over that role. Atwoli's sentiments come at a time when the Luhya community appears divided following the selection of Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya and Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa as the leaders to push for the welfare of the community. Willie Lusige with that story.
As the country continues to witness political alignments and realignments ahead of the 2022 general election, the Luhya community, which is the second largest in the country, has been put on the spotlight with various leaders working behind the scenes to ensure it remains united. Recent events had cast a dark cloud over the real leaders of the Mlembe nation, with various factions springing up.
Musalia tulikuweka kwa kiti mwaka wa 2016 na tutachagua mtu mwingine kama kiongozi mpaka sasa.
Kotu Secretary General Francis Atwoli has said the Luhya nation remains solid behind ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi. Atwoli insisted that the community still identified Musalia as its spokesperson and political kingpin. The trade unionists claim that the Luhya's presidential destiny rested on the ex-deputy premier's shoulders, and whatever political direction he will take will always serve as their command.
Kitu tunataka tu kumfanyia kidogo ni pande ni biti na achukue line. Na wakati ni sasa.
He sought to explain what happened at his home in Kajiado, where Wycliffe Oparanya and Eugene Wamalwa were chosen as community spokespersons.
Haukukuwa mkutano wa pombe, mkutano wa kupanga mikakati ya Waluhya, na haukukuwa mkutano wa mambo mengine.
Mudavadi, who was also present at the burial ceremony, said contrary to belief, he has no political differences with Atwoli.
Atwoli, don't walk alone. And please, also do not allow me to walk alone.
Instead of power politics, we would like to see politics of empowerment in this region.
Leaders calling on President Kenyatta to take action against the rampant corruption cases and fix the diddling economy.
The legacy you will leave in this country is to fight corruption.
KEMSA tumegundua baada ya mambo ya COVID, kumbe tena madawa ya wale wagonjwa wa AIDS. They have money lakini hawachukui madawa.
Watu wamegonga KEMSA. Sisi tunaambia Uhuru toa pingu.
The issue of divisive revenue sharing formula that has split the Senate into two and paralyzed operations in the county government also cropped up.
Fika tarehe 17 kabla tujapata pesa, kama tutakuwa tumepata pesa tutafunga kaunti zote.
It could be the window ya wale watu hawapendi devolution kuanza kusema kwamba afadhali tuvunje devolution turudi kwa unitary system.
The late Archbishop Makoha was buried at Kima area in Vihiga County. Top leaders including President Uhuru Kenyatta and KANU National Chairman Gideon Moi sent their messages of condolences. As the Luhya community continues to marshal up support from Musalia Mudavadi's presidency, it's a matter of time to wait and see if indeed this community will be able to be united for the first time. Willie Lusige, KTN News.